everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your virtual memory on your desktop or laptop computer to increase performance by adding virtual memory. First of all, you can go to your control panel. You can open this up. If you've got lesser icons here, you can just click on here and select larger icons. You can scroll down to System. Right. When you're in this page, you can go to Advanced Settings. So this will look kind of different on Windows 10. This is Windows 11 that I'm using here. You can click on Advanced System Settings. Here you are at Advanced, and you can go to Settings here. Here you can deselect some things in your theme that could also potentially slow down your computer. You can adjust it here for best appearance or best performance, or you can customize it as you like. For this video we're going to go to Advanced, and we're going to go down to virtual memory, and then you click on change. So by default, Windows will automatically set an amount for your Windows. By clicking on the automatic change management, then you can manually set your virtual memory. When you look here at the bottom, your computer will automatically show you the recommended amount you can select. So then you click on Custom, you put in your recommended amount. It's 1392. Then for your maximum size, you need to multiply that amount with 1.5. So if you just go to your calculator, one 392, and you multiply it by 1.5 equals, that will be the amount of virtual memory you can select as your maximum size. You just need to remove any spaces or commas. Just click on Set. Okay, and then you'll get this message that says you have made changes and your computer needs to restart. You can restart your computer and click on Apply. Restart your computer and the effects will take hold next time you restart. So that is how to set up virtual memory on your computer. To do it manually, you can do it on any desktop or laptop computer with Windows 11. You can do it on Windows 10. This video only shows how to do it for Windows 11. On Windows 10 and XP and all those other Windowses will be a bit different. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my video if you haven't done so yet, for more content to follow.